chicken, mushroom, and string beans, and also mix with carrots and some of vegetables. It's very yummy, guys. First, you have to boil the chicken and make the chicken turn dry, and also you have to stir it and a little bit brown, and also 2 tablespoons of oil. Then when the oil is hot, add one half onion or onions slice. Stir it. When the onion is cooked, add 4 cloves of fresh garlic, then you feel the garlic is cooked, then mix it really well and add medium tomato slice. Hello guys, this kind of vegetable is one of my favorite, but and also my kids, you have to try it. It's very good. Then when you have to simmer it. When the tomato is soup, you have to add the string bean. The string beans is harvested from my garden. It's very fresh. And also add the carrots slice. Then you have to simmer when the carrot is cooked. And string bean, the carrot is easy to cook because the slice is very thin. Then after this, you have to add the mushrooms. Little tiny mushroom, like skinny mushroom, long skinny mushroom, fresh. And then you have to stir it well. Subscribe guys, subscribe, like, share, and leave comment, and make sure post the notification bell, so every time I upload my video you always updated. So now you have to simmer it. When the mushroom and the vegetable it's cooked, you have to add chicken broth, 1/2 cup of chicken broth. It's total 1/2. Add chicken broth, and then you have to stir it well and then simmer it. And add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of white sugar or brown sugar, or you can add more sugar. I like my principal a little bit sweet. And also 1 tablespoon of beef stock, or they call beef powder. So you need to mix it so the flavor is good to all the vegetable, and then simmer it until the vegetable is cooked, and add some bell pepper. Bell pepper is optional, but I love my bell pepper there. If you want spicy food, you can add a spicy also. And also the bean sprout, I'm sorry, bean sprout. And then you don't need to cook really like overcook. I cook here like 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, and that's it. Because my husband, he likes the bean sprout is crispy, doesn't like mushy. So please subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting. Please leave comment and subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. And don't forget the notification bell. Thank you so much. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I put the Knorr seasoning, soy sauce, or either kind of salt. Salt to taste, like 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So now the food is ready to serve. I'm gonna boil this like 1 minute, guys, and then the food is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. God bless. See you in my next video.